Meet my hair here. Out here. Desert X trying to get an Instagram pic here. Just eating my hair because of the wind. So we're out of the house today. Woo woo! Yeah, Patrick has today off. It's President's Day, so we decided I have editing to do. I still have to get my sister wives video up, which you guys might have seen by now because of the whole, you know, future, past, time warp situation. But yeah, so we're gonna go out to Palm Springs, but we're gonna eat at this restaurant. You've seen us eat there before, Native Foods. It's a vegan restaurant that's in Palm Springs. So we're going out to Palm Springs today. We're gonna try and stop by one of the Desert X, phone. We're gonna try and start by one of the Desert X installations on the way. As you guys seen, like, it's kind of rainy here in the desert. So we'll see how that goes, yo. But yeah, and then after that, we're gonna try and find some place to hunker down. And me editing, Patrick's working on his degree, his doctoral degree, you know, whatever, you know. I got editing to do and he's got school stuff, so yeah. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Desert Mermaid adventure. And if you're new, hey, what's up? I'm Desert Mermaid, Keisha. I live with chronic pain. I use this cane to help me get around when I'm outside of the house because I have sacroiliitis and my back is really messed up because of it, and I always have pain because of it. So, but I'm trying, hence getting out of the house and editing today. So yeah, welcome to that vlog life, yo. We made it. We found it. Woo! So we made it, we found it. We're across the street. They got some rabbits over here. And then they got the rainbow that's across the street, so yeah. Ooh, rabbits. Rabbits. Look, they're pretty cute. Oh.
Not gonna lie, up close they look creepy as shit.
Yeah, kind of. Kind of Donnie Darko, but exactly. Like in neon. Hey you guys, somewhere up there, Obama's house is behind these mountains. And then also too is the, what's it called? The Ritz-Carlton?
Yeah, Ritz-Carlton.
I think it's the I think. Okay, one of the...
actually over there behind those mountains.
Yeah, one of the first bachelorettes, I forget her name, but if I remember, I'll put it in here. She got married up there to the firefighter guy. But yeah, I remember that when I was younger. Fun fact. This is how nice Patrick is for me. He'll tie my shoes for me when they're untied. Isn't that nice? I am so lucky. Love you.
You too. Good.
It's Instagram worthy. Instagram mission accomplished. I got me some thumbnails. I got me a good boomerang. I got hair in my mouth right now because of the wind.
And she got her shoe tied.
And I got my shoe tied, and I got embarrassed the shit out of me because, you know, I'm out here posing for Instagram, and, you know, I'm this like old, you know, old bitch here, you know, with a cane trying to look cool, but yeah. Meet my hair here. Meet my hair here. Out here. Desert X trying to get an Instagram pic here. Just eating my hair because of the wind. Yeah, so yeah. On to get our grub on at Native Foods, yo. Can you tell I'm hungry? I'm hangry. What up? So, I know I look like a mess, but okay. We're at Native Foods. I got my food. I got a barbecue brisket burger.
No meat.
No meat. This is a vegan restaurant.
Jalapeno poppin' burger.
Right, and a watermelon fresco with a tad bit of lemonade, and Patrick got lavender lemonade, so yeah. And while we were sitting out here waiting for our food, some guy came up and tried to sell us drugs. Yay! And I'm like, no, like, see, like, I go to a doctor, I get my drugs legally, so there you go. But yeah, that was special. Definitely let the restaurant know, so yeah, that was fun, so yeah.
Time to get our grub on.
Time to get our grub on, right?
Their fries are bomb.
Yeah, so we're at coffee. As you saw, I'm editing. Patrick's working on school stuff. Yeah, he's working on school stuff, so working on that. It was busy down on Palm Canyon. Whoa, my earbud's falling. It's busy on Palm Canyon because it's Modernism Week, so came over to coffee, which is way better, so smooth. We're home now. I'm trying to pet Noe. Let me pet you. He used to be a feral cat, so he's kind of weird sometimes, but oh, say hi. Look at me. You're not even looking. Hi. Oh, good baby.
The only reason she's able to pet him this much is because he's so tired.
Yeah, it takes him a while to wake up. He's one of those cats.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah. And we have Frank and his Valentine's Day blanket. Well, it was on clearance for $5. Sweet Frank. Yes. Oh, Frank. That's cute. And he squeaks. He doesn't meow. But yeah. Philip. Meep, meep, meep. Yep. We're home. Gonna go to bed. Already in my jammies with Mr. Frank here. Say hi. Say hi. He wanted to say hi again. But yeah, I just wanted to say goodnight and end the vlog here in front of Buddha here. I love you. I enjoy having outings like this with you guys. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, so as always, I'm sending lots of love to all the haters and the lovers, because as we know, we should all really be lovers, right? Right, Frank? Frank says so. Alright, I love you, and I'll see you in my next Desert Mermaid adventure vlog. See you next time. Mwah! Mwah!